Hi guys, so we had a fantastic question. What are the benefits of us making the LED strips to the exact lengths, and should they get, or if you're an electrician yourself, so should you get the electrician to make them to length on site, or if you're an electrician yourself, should I make them to length on site for my client? Well, from my experience of the last 13 years of supplying the strips and seeing all the projects, it is such a huge benefit for us to bespoke them to length, because so for one, we have a team that can bespoke the LED strips to length all day, every day, next day delivery. So the turnaround is still a next day delivery. They have all the correct soldering equipment. So they have the tiny ends, and they've been soldering for many years these LED strips all day, every day. So they can turn around at an extremely fast rate, extremely reliable, perfect soldering. So if you're an installer and you're thinking, I'll give this a go, you may have a soldering iron, but then the soldering iron end may not be small enough. It may be tricky, especially with RGBW. We've seen time and time again where installers or clients have purchased the goods, they've got the electrician to attempt to make them on site, and then they've come back, sent the goods back to us and asked us to make them to lengths, because it's just, you just haven't got all the correct equipment, haven't got the small soldering irons, they've never done the soldering LED strip before. So it can end up costing more money and taking more time. So if you get them bespoke, you get them next day, you get them at the great value, the most efficient cost from someone who's been soldering all day, every day. We charge very little for that, so you get it at the cheapest, the fastest time, and it's the most reliable. And if you've given us your drawings to work from or any plans to work from, we would have foreseen any issues. We could have created wire diagrams for you and advised you in any way before you've even gone to install. We would have spoken to the installer or yourself, and everything would be all ready to go, and you'd get them packaged up, made to length, and you could start the install, and they all would have fit as we had pre-planned. Whereas if you'd purchased them in 5 meter reels and you'd attempt to solder them yourselves, it may take you far long. It may take you a whole day to do soldering that may have only took our guys a couple of hours. You then would need to have the correct soldering end, the correct soldering tip. So if you are a customer and you're thinking you may get your electrician to do this, that is fine if they have had experience of soldering LED strips before. But if they haven't, it may not be any more cost effective. It may cost 2, 3, 4 times the amount. It may take 2, 3, 4 times of the time. So be sure to check that out. That is one tip I would 100% say to check before purchasing the goods, because I've seen it time and time again, and it very rarely or ever goes wrong when we make the strip to exact lengths, and it can quite often go wrong or take far longer or cost far much more money if the installer is giving it a go but hasn't done it before. So it's something that I would definitely say is worth checking out first. So please comment away, check out InStyle LED.co.uk, and thank you very much for watching.